We are going to act drama about importance of education that are not talking to each other. The weather is also very hot. How can they be? I don't know. They look like strangers. Should we talk to them? Yes. Let's go. Do you have any problem? Why are you sitting like? Excuse me, do you have any problem? I can help you. Can you come with me? We will. You can stay at our home. But there is a problem. Only one of us can go with you. His education, his success, his happiness. I am education. Education is the most powerful weapon that you can use to change the world. I help to understand math, science, history. I teach how to read and write and then solve problems. I open the door a lot of opportunities. I also help to achieve your dream goal. Hi, I am success. If you take with you will achieve success in every sphere of life. Hi, I am happiness. If I come with you, then there will be always be happiness, love and peace in your home. So you have to decide now which one you want to take home with you. Okay, let me discuss it with my friend. I want success because I want to success in my life. It is difficult to decide. No, I want education. Education also promotes equality, reduce poverty and empower individuality. Tell me what is your final decision? Who do you want to take home? Finally, we take education. Education helps to attain success and happiness in life. Education helps achieve dreams, goals. So we understand that knowledge is power. Education is the most powerful weapon. Thank you.